Hi guys, thanks for joining us today. And today we are going to be talking about another Chinese social media platform, which is relatively new. It's called Oasis in English and Luzhou in Mandarin. And we're going to show you the key functions of the app, show you how the app works, so you can get a sense of, well, how does this new visual Chinese social platform look like, and how can you use it, and who is using it? So we'll take you through that today. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is, of course, find the app. And then this one, the top left that you see here, is Oasis. So tap on that. And then once we load up the app, of course, you're going to see the home feed, and it's going to have different posts of people that you follow. So this one is an interior design account. And you can see that you are able to create different content tags. So these content tags, you can create your own, or you can search for ones that already exist on the platform to tag your content. And near the bottom here, you can see that there's a hashtag that you can add to different posts as well. And in terms of other functions, you can see it's pretty standard. It looks a lot like, say, Instagram, where you can like a post, you can comment on it, and you can share the post. So these are the icons that you see on towards the right side lower half of the screen right now. And then what other functions do we have here? So let's go into Discover, which is the second tab at the bottom there. So the Discover tab will take you to recommended posts. So you see that there's food posts or scenic posts, there's illustrations, and then there's different categories along the top. Okay, so I'm just scrolling through the different categories. And if we take a look at, well, the first one after the recommended one, this one is celebrities, because celebrities are really the fuel for social media networks in China. So that's why they dedicate an entire section just to them. So if we scroll through some of these celebrity photos, celebrity posts, so these are active celebrity users who are on the platform, and they are the influencers that really start driving traffic towards Oasis. And then the next one is fashion. So this is the fashion section. There's one on beauty. So in the beauty section, of course, you see what you expect to see. There's a lot of makeup, skincare. Yeah, so makeup, skincare products. There's usually a lot of short videos where the makeup influencers are talking about the different benefits of the product, demoing the product. So that's pretty common. Next, you have food. So in the food section, there are a lot of short videos teaching you how to make the different items that are showcased. Yeah. So you can see there's lots of summer drinks, lots of dishes for at-home cooking. And then next there is a section on interiors. So interiors, and then there's a section on travel, right? So lots of travel photos. And then another one is exercising. So with a lot of people staying at home now, this at-home exercise short videos are becoming a lot more popular. There's what they categorize as next-gen content, right? So second generation is the direct translation. So a lot of like cosplay from what I'm seeing here. And then photography, another popular category, very dreamy photos. And then pets. So this is the pet section. So definitely some very out there costumes for pets, and also some very cute pets. And ones I find interesting, so there's like arts, culture, exploration for cars as well. There's one just for the direct translation is good looking people. So there's actually a full section dedicated to that on this app called Oasis. So that's one section categorization that we found interesting. And if you go into, let's say, your interactions, you can see your interactions on this screen. So who your new followers are, so you can load up your new followers. There's recommended people for you to follow based on, of course, the content that you follow on the platform. On the top right, there's actually a button for you to provide feedback for the app. Since the app is still relatively new, they are definitely making different improvements to it. And if you wanted to do a post, then you just press on the plus button, right? So from there, you can pick a photo that you want to add or a video that you want to add. And then let's go back to the home screen now. So if you go back to the home screen, in the top right, there is an icon that says water droplets. So water droplets on this platform, in a sense, performs like currency. So when you upload your content onto Oasis, you can actually designate it as, do I want other people to download it by paying me with their water droplets? So you can do that on Oasis. Okay, let's go to that section. So when I tap into the water droplets section, you can see that, oh, I have a lot of water droplets that I need to collect. So now you can collect your water droplets. And if you don't collect it within 3 days, it actually disappears. And you earn water droplets by being active on the platform. So for example, if you like a post, if you comment on a post, if you follow a new user, or if you post something onto the platform. So you can see that I am right now level 6, and the activity level I am rated at 90 points. So I actually don't know if that's high or low. It seems that if you, let's say you check in on average once per day, then you might get the around 60 to 70 activity level. And the interesting thing is they also have a score. You can see it's 22 right now. Now that score is whoever you refer to the platform, how active they are on the platform also contributes to your water droplets. So this is a tactic, of course, that they're using to bring more users onto the platform. And we can see along the bottom here that there's various incentives for people to earn more water droplets. You can use your water droplets to vote on different things. And these are functions that have yet to be released, right? But they're giving you kind of a preview of what's to come. And you can see from here that they are offering these water droplets. So the more active you are, the more you take part in the activities and campaigns on this platform, you would earn more water droplets. So let's go back to the main screen. And then if I tap into my profile here, there's actually near the middle there, you can see that, oh, there's a banner. What's that for? So if you tap into it, it's actually for a current campaign. Let me just shift my video a little. This just shows the online campaign that they're running from July 6th to July 19th. So they give you the various different instructions. So 3 steps to enter your content, and then you could receive rewards for that. And then there's different categories of content that you can enter your content into. So there's sports, there's food, there's beauty, there's fashion, there's pets, there's the next gen content that we saw. So if you post, let's say, a video, then you can unlock more prizes. So all of these campaigns are really geared towards getting users to engage more on the platform and also drive their followers to engage more on the platform, because the more likes, more interactions, more followers you get, that also helps to increase your water droplet earnings as well. So in terms of how you can spend these water droplets, like we mentioned, you could use it to download somebody's photo, or in the future, like you could also use it for other, let's say, stores that they are releasing on Oasis as well. So that's essentially how you would navigate the Oasis app. And if there are any questions, leave your questions in our comments and we'll try our best to answer them.